Now the third formula is cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now fourth one is cos A minus B is equal to cos A. These are the one of the basic formula that is needed in this chapter. Now better let me tell you. Just focus on first two formula. They are of sine. Sine is good. And do you know what is a good person? Good person always mix with others. For example, beta, sine cos से mix होता है. Sine is mixed with cos. Sine is a good person, so it always mix with the other community. Sine, cos, cos, sine. Is it okay, beta? Sine is a good person, so it always mix with the other community also. And moreover, no discrimination. There is a plus, there is a plus. Let me tell you. There is a plus sign, there is also a plus sign. There is a minus sign, there is also minus sign. Is it okay? How to remember? Sign is a good person, so it always mix with other community also. Sign formula A plus B, sign other community is cos. Sin A, cos B, cos A, sin B. If there is a plus sign, so it will never, good person never discriminate other. There is a plus sign, there is a plus. There is minus, there is minus. Okay. Cos is bad. So why, how to remember the formula? Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos is a bad person. It never involved with the other community. Cos are separated, sin are different. Cos and sin, they are separated. Is it okay or not? Sin and cos are separated because they are cos A minus B also, and discrimination also. If there is a plus sign, if there is a plus sign, there is a minus sign. It always do discrimination. Discrimination also, beta. If there is a plus sign, there is a minus sign. If there is a minus sign, there is a plus sign. Is it okay? Now I am going to prove that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. We know that tan A plus B can be written as sin A plus B over cos A plus. Recently we have studied sin A plus B is can be written as sin is always mixing. What is the way to remember? Sin is a good person, it always mix with other community. One term of sin, other is cos, and there is no discrimination. There is a plus sign, there is a plus sign also. Sin A sin B, sorry, sin A cos B, cos A sin B, mixing with other community. And in the denominator there is a cos is always a bad person, but this is a just a trick to remember. It's not a cos is not a person, but I am just using the trick. Cos A plus B, cos is a bad person, it does not mix with other community. Cos terms are separated, sin terms are the, that is, it doesn't mix with other community. And moreover, if there is a plus sign, there is a minus sign. Dividing, beta, I need one here. See, there is one. It means this term must be one. This term must be 1. Dividing. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos A, let me tell you, by cos A cos B. Okay beta, now tan A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We have to divide with cos A cos B, numerator and denominator by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos cancel out. I'm using red pen. Cos cancel out. Cos A cancel out. Okay, now sin A over cos A, it becomes tan A plus sin A cos B can be written as tan B over 1 minus tan A tan A tan B. So we have proved tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, we get now changing plus sign in 1. In 1 changing plus with the negative sign and vice versa. Negative with positive, positive with negative. A minus B tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A solution. Proof. We know cot A plus B cos A plus B sin A plus B. What is the formula of cos? We know that cos is a bad person. It doesn't mix with other communities. So cos is separated, sin is separate. And moreover, sin cos is a bad person, so it will do the discrimination also. There is a plus sign, there is a negative sign. Now, sin is a good person, it mix with other community. Sin and cos, moreover, it is very good person also. So it is a good person plus cos A, sin. If you see, there is a plus sign, there is also plus sign. So, any here I want 1 here. So I want to make this 1. It means we dividing numerator and denominator by sin A, sin B. By sin A, sin B. Okay. So let me divide it cot A plus B. So cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B divide with sin A, sin B, sin A, sin B. So sin A cos B, sin A sin B plus cos A sin B. Now I'm using red pen for cancellation. These are cancel out. Here sin is cancel out, sin is. Now cos A, cos B. They are separated. Cos A over sin A, it is cot A. And this also cos B over sin B is cot B. Minus 1 cos over sin is cot B plus cot A. Cot sin A plus B. Now I have proved the formula proved. And I am by changing sign. Similarly, change negative sign with the positive sign and vice versa. Vice versa. Okay. So cot, now there is a plus, it will become negative. If there is a plus, it will become minus. Minus will become plus. Similarly, we can prove cot A, cot B. Minus will become plus. Cot cot B minus cot A. So we know formula of sine A plus B. Sine is a good person. How to remember formula? Sine mixed with the cos, and moreover it doesn't do any discrimination. There is a plus sign, so here there is also a plus sign. Cos A sin B. We know that sin 2x can be written as sin x plus x. Is it okay? Sin x plus x. So sin A is x, B is also x. Cos is x, Sine is also x. So sine x cos b, there are two same terms. So I will write 2 sine x cos x. Now I am proving that this formula cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. So what is the proof? Statement cos 2x, we know cos a plus b can be written as cos is a bad person, but actually these are just myths. Cos is not a person, but this is a way to remember. Cos a, cos b, cos does not mix with other community. Cos terms are separated with sign. Now cos 2x can be written as cos x plus x. So x cos x minus sin x into sin x. Cos square x minus sin square x. So the formula cos 2x is also very important. So if you focus beta to remember to understand third chapter, we must focus on the formula. So to prove that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x1 minus tan square x. So we know tan a plus b is equal to tan a. We have proved earlier 1 minus tan a tan b. Now tan 2x can be written as tan x plus x tan x plus tan x 1 minus tan x into tan x 2 tan x. So we have to prove that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square minus 1, and these formulas are very important for us. So let me start proof. We have proved already. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now cos 2x, cos square will remain same. I am changing 1 minus cos square. Okay. And in 10th class we have studied the identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. That we have done in 10th class. Now cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. So answer is 2 cos square x minus 1. Now we have now I am proving the second part. We know cos 2x is equal to cos square x sin square x. We already know. In the first part I have changed sine to cos. Now what to do? Now I will change cos to sine. 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x. So answer is 1 minus 2 sine square x. So we have proved these two formulas very easily. So we are proving that sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So one of the basic formula is that sine a plus b. Sine a plus b is sine a cos b minus, sorry, plus. We know that cos sine is a very good person. It mix with the other community. Sine and cos remain mixed. Na? And moreover, if there is a plus sign, there is a plus sign also. Now sine 3x can be written as sine 2x plus x. So beta 3x can be written as 2x plus x, or you can write x plus 2x. That is your choice. So I will write sine 2x. So firstly let me tell you what we have to prove. I have to prove this portion. Now cos x plus cos 2x into sine x. Now beta in the prove that see all angle in the right hand side, all angles are x only. See, so it means 2x I have to change. What is the formula of sine 2x? Now we have studied sine x cos x. This step is important. And cos 2x, beta listen, now we have recently proved. Now I want all terms, see right hand side, prove that. This is the left hand side. See right hand side, all terms are in sine. We don't want cos. So what to do? Cos can be written as 2 sine square x. This is the turning point of the question. 2 sine x cos square x plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Now all terms are in cos except this one. I just want to convert it. It can be written as 1 minus sine square x sine x minus 2 sine cube x. 2 sine x minus 2 sine cube x plus sine x 2 sine sine 3x can be written as, just see, these two sine 3x can be written as, see, these two terms, they are like terms. We get the answer 2 sine x and sine x, it is 3 sine x, 2 sine cube x, 2 sine cube x. See, these two terms, they are added, it becomes 4 sine cube x. Now beta we got the answer. Tell me any doubt. We are going to prove cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. Proof. We know formula of cos a plus b can be written as cos a. Cos is a bad person. It doesn't mix with other community. So there is a plus sign, there is a negative sign. So this is the main way to remember. Now cos 3x can be written as cos 2x plus x is equal to cos 2x cos x minus sine 2x sin x. Now I don't want 2x. See, these are the main problem. These are the main problem. But I have to convert. We know the formula. Now I want whole formula in cos, so I will use this formula we have already proved. Why we are converting into cos? Because in proof that all terms are in cos. Sin can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Cos x. So answer is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin cos square x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin. I know that. Wait. Sorry, beta, there is a problem. There is a problem. Let me do it. So outside there is a sin x. 2 cos x sin square x. So how to convert 2 cos x is there. Sin can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So the last line of this question is question cos x 2 cos x minus 2 cos cube x. Now see these two forms. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So beta I have proved